Want to learn how to make the best fried shrimp tacos on planet Earth? Just stay tuned and I'll show you how to make this easy, simple, and delicious recipe. Here's all the ingredients we used in this recipe. As always, it'll be listed in the description box in full detail for reference. And with that being said, now let's begin prepping. Alright, so to begin, we're going to start off preparing our slaw. We're going to add 1/4 of red cabbage. Go ahead and cut the middle of the core out. We're going to add 1 whole jalapeno. If you don't want it too spicy, you can deseed it. If you want it a little more spicy, you can leave the seeds in. It's totally up to you. Go ahead and take the skin off your onion. We're going to use about 1/4 of an onion. Go ahead and take your cilantro, about 1/4 of a bunch, fold it in half with the stems, and chop it up. You're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Go ahead and mix this up. Add salt to taste. We're going to go ahead and mix this up and set it off to the side. And what's going to happen, the lemon juice is going to soften up all these vegetables. Alright, now we're going to work on our sauce. We're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. You can use half if you don't like your lemon flavor too strong. And 1/4 of the bunch of cilantro. We're going to add 5/4 teaspoons of capers and 1/4 teaspoon of the caper juice. And we're going to add 5 tablespoons of mayo and 1 tablespoon of Mexican crema. Alright, go ahead and blend this up. Now remove the shells from your shrimp and devein them. And we cut ours in half. And after that, go ahead and rinse your shrimp. Now it's time to prepare the 3-step dredge. We're going to add 2 of 1/3 cups of flour. And we're going to add 2 of 1/3 cups of panko. Four eggs. Go ahead and mix this up. Add salt and pepper to taste, and about 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, about 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, Go ahead and mix all this up, and you're ready to go. Alright, we're going to start off in the flour mixture, and then we're going to go to the egg wash, and we're going to finish off in the panko mixture. And you're just going to repeat this process until all your shrimp is coated. Now we're going to take our queso fresco and crumble it up. This is going to go great on top of the tacos when they're finished. Should look like that. We're going to get our oil ready. We want our oil to reach about 375 degrees. Set at medium heat. And we're going to fry these till they reach a nice golden brown color. Alright, these are starting to look real good. Let's go ahead and pull these now and get started on our next batch. Alright, these are good to go. That's money right there. Alright, let's go ahead and warm up our tortillas. This is going to help soften them so we can form the tacos. Alright, now it's time to put it all together. We're going to go ahead and get our 3 taco shells ready. We're going to start off with some shrimp. Next, we're going to put on our slaw that we made earlier. Now we're going to drizzle on a little bit of the sauce we made. Top it off with the queso fresco. Hit it with some of the Mexican crema. There you have it, guys. Money. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. I hope you all enjoy it, and I'll see you all on the next one.